Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by confirming your Fire TV and TV are ready. Make sure HDMI-C is enabled on the TV and that you have the Alexa voice remote. Once done, install fresh AAA batteries and press home for 5 seconds to wake the remote. Now navigate to Settings, choose Controllers and Bluetooth devices, and select Amazon Fire TV remotes. This pairing step is essential because the remote must be recognized before volume control can be mapped to the TV or receiver. Next, you map the volume function so the Fire remote controls your TV or receiver. In the remote menu, pick your paired remote, then choose volume control and select whether you want TV, receiver, or TV power control. Make sure you follow the on-screen IR test. Point the remote at the TV and press the volume buttons during prompts. If CEC is available, it links via HDMI. If not, the remote learns IR codes. This step ensures the remote sends the right signals. You finish by verifying control. Press volume up, volume down, and mute to confirm the TV or receiver responds. If the buttons do nothing, rerun the IR learning process in settings or double-check that HDMI-C is enabled on the TV. Sometimes the TV calls it AnyNet Plus, SimpLink, or Bravia Sync. Make sure batteries are good, and if problems persist, power cycle the TV and the Fire Stick. One key troubleshooting tip: repairing and relearning IR code.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.